And if you're new to GoPro, this is a steal. If you're not new to GoPro, this is a steal as well. Let's get into it. Check out this case. It's big, it's made well, and inside they actually give you your own options to customize how you want to put it with removable foam. Take little things out here and you can put your GoPro there, you can put your selfie stick there with a mesh zipper pocket up at the top. This is a perfect size for all of those GoPro accessories. Seriously, I could see this actually being like $30 on its own. And if GoPro made it, $130. Moving on, a silicone protected cover housing. These are actually pretty nice and really good to have if you are worried about dropping it. There you go. Transparent waterproof housing. The Hero 9 is waterproof. However, things can happen. If you're a little bit worried about that, this would be great for that. Watertight, and you can also dive a bit deeper. 3 different colored filters for those underwater shots. It also includes its floaty housing case and a floating handle grip and a floaty little block with 3M adhesive, so you could stick it on the back of your waterproof case. That way, if it falls into the water, it'll float. A large shockproof carrying case. I mean, these are actually essential for travel. Really nice quality. But you can also zip it up in a way that you can keep the tripod on. And speaking of the tripod, this adjustable size, extendable handle monopod actually comes with it too. And there's a screw thread on the bottom, which can be used with this little tripod that comes with it as well. Just going through this right now, I can't even believe how much stuff for the price. Moving on, a head belt strap mount, a chest belt strap mount, a helmet strap mount, a wrist strap mount, 360-degree rotary clip mount, a remote control wrist strap, a small diameter handlebar holder mount, and a large diameter handlebar holder mount, an adjustable suction cup mount for the car, for the windows, a helmet arm extender. You get 2 flat surface mounts with 5 3M adhesive pads, 2 curved mounts with 5 3M adhesive pads, a bunch of different long and short screw bolts. Also, for some reason, it includes this little phone holder. If you're live streaming with your phone or if you're using your phone with the app, I guess that's why they come with it. I don't know. Listen, there's a lot of things to read off and I'm doing my best here. There's so much stuff. It comes with the side door so it's easy to access your USB-C. Vertical direction pivot arms to change the direction of your mounts. Little mount extenders. A bunch of these quick release buckles and a bunch of J-hook buckles. And some of these mounts with the screw thread at the bottom. And a reverse male screw thread, which actually comes in handy. A plastic wrench spanner so you can actually really tighten it or loosen it. A nice high quality storage bag. A rubber locking plug with a tether. A safety buckle, a round adhesive mount with a tether. Just in case you have it somewhere dangerous and you don't want it to fall, this is kind of a nice little backup plan. 2 tempered glass screen protectors and 2 tempered glass lens protectors, 2 alcohol saturated wet wipes, 2 dust absorbers, 2 cleaning cloths, and a nice GoPro lanyard neck strap where you can easily hook on your GoPro. That way you have it with you, ready to go whenever you need to.